How do, ladies and gentlemen? Test. Looks alright. So yeah, that's going red. Let me fix the microphone. Why is it so high? Gain. Okay, looks better. It still looks like it's peaking a bit, but what's my mix on? Yeah, how are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're doing well. I'm just getting up and running here, so give me a second. Just quickly gone live rather than sort of setting an hour build up sort of thing. So we'll get running in just a second. Been working on a few things in the game. So got a new office that we're working on. And yeah, new office. Waiting for my laptop to update as well on the game. Okay, so what am I doing here? I need to post in a couple places. So where am I posting? Oh. Okay, gonna get going in just a second, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well on this Sunday. Let me pop the chat out. Cool, got that. Cool. Okay, yeah, so what are we doing today? It's a good question. Lots to do. So we're working on the prototype for our game. Yeah, have more people asking, well, what's the game about? What are you actually making? And I really want to talk about it and you know, go to town and just like go into the details and talk about all the little neat gritty stuff. But also I can't. Well, I could, but I can't. There's certain aspects of this game that I think is like a real USP on it, the unique selling point, and it's the theme to it. I think is something really special. I'm pretty open with what I'm working on, but there's just a couple things that I do want to keep under the wraps just for now, just because, you know, people have stolen stuff in the past from other developers. I just want to avoid all of that. So yeah, we're avoiding that by I mean, we're streaming the live dev, and I can tell you the genre, some information about some of the gameplay features, what we're building. You know, very happy to talk about that as I'm building it. But to give you like the full overview of the game, it's really hard because I do want to keep a little bit of that as a surprise, and to have it as like a unique thing on the market, that when we release this game we're the only people doing it. I feel like, you know, the idea for this game is that good that I know it might be a bit what's the word, up themselves or whatever to think it's that good, but I really do think it is good. So I just don't want to ruin the opportunity there. So yeah, keeping a little bit under wraps, but you know, not the amount that a lot of studios keep things under wraps. We are we're very open and sharing a lot. So I got a message. I was playing some repo. One of the guys we're playing with disconnected. See a 10-minute power outage. Oh man. Right. Yeah, hope everyone's doing well. I'm actually crack on and get some work done. So what I want to do today is I want to work on the office layout. I did a little bit of LD in here, or set dressing, just to bring this area up to par a little bit more. So you might notice that this looks a little bit different. And then we've got a meeting room in here as well. So yeah, this is new. Do I want the cool temp? I don't think I do. So yeah, working on some of the just... I want to work on the office a little bit. Oh, actually... It's not too bad right now, but I do want to. Oh, bro! Don't tell me he's. Hang on. Hang on. I'm fighting our artist, man. Bro, I fucking do. Okay. Chill, IceGrenade. Chill. We're working with someone who's new to Unreal, and he's doing some of the things that are really annoying to work with, and I've got to keep my cool. Oh no, he did fix it. Okay. I love him. He did fix it. Okay. Wait, never mind. Delete my comments. Delete my comments. He fixed it. He fixed it. He fixed it. It's good. It just looked really tall for some reason because I've been used to looking at it shortened. Right, let me test. Yeah, the desk was too high. Oh, no, that's good. Okay, it's just the paper that's in the desk that eluded me to thinking it was incorrect. No, it is correct. It's just yeah, it's actually floating, bro. Like, not floating, submerged. So I'm gonna fix that real quick. What have we got there? Is that a like? No. Where's my stream gone? There it is. Hello. Thank you for subscribing, whoever that was. I couldn't get to my stream quick enough to see, because I got a fucking million windows open right now. Right, there we go. There we go. Show only selected. Skill issue. Right. This should be... Bro, it's not... oh. Alright, control end. We're snapping that bitch. We are placing her down. It's better. It's good. We control snapped them all. Okay, that's good. So, these are all going to be a bit buggered as well. No, he's good. He's good. Good shit. Right, nice. We need an orange carpet in here. We need a little bit of like a... I don't know what you'd call it, but... one of those things that you have in a doorway. Not a door, obviously. But the trim piece. No. Okay. Need something like that, but with like sloped edges on it. I'm just going to make it, and then our artist can come along and make it look pretty. Okay, so where is this cube? Right, take me to your cubes. Right, local cube. There we go. Gonna copy that one. Gonna call it prop door trim. And sometimes it's just easier if I fucking just make something rather than explaining what I need made by to an artist. So then it would just get done correct straight away rather than me failing to fucking... Oh. Fresh Gavakadu, if you're watching right now. Yeah, there's this is the town. This is the main hub, and then wait, are you still watching? I'll give you a demo if you are, and run through a few bits. Right, where let's grab this. Model. I don't want to subdivide really. Yeah, that's really dumb. Nope. Get out of here. New plane cart, no. Poly cart, no. Poly edit, no. Wait, do I insert some edge loops? It's so dumb that you can't insert like edge loops on a cube. I think I need to just export a cube from Blender that I can then work with, because I don't like it. I don't want to have to like cut a bloody with a boolean right now. Just wanted to like, right, if I select that, can I then do insert edge loop? Extrude. Edge. Split. Oh no, it doesn't do it like that. Oh, bro. Come on now. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I can go like this. And then I can just go whoop. And then like that. And Bob is your uncle. I think it's good. In fact, I probably want it flatter than that. So 1, 2 clicks. 1, 2 clicks. Just go like that, yeah. Oh, okay. I'll show what I'm working on. So yeah, this is where you start off. and I'll just play a couple seconds of it. But yeah, you would start off in the office that I'm still building. It's really early days. The phone rings, and you would answer the phone. Hopefully the UI is a little bit more polished than that, and you'd get your first job. You can talk to the boss to continue the day. Take your truck, and we're doing some really funky kind of animation style in this game. So I don't know if you look at the train we got going on over here, kind of like a Tom and Jerry kind of over-expressive animation is the vibe. Yeah, you have loads of NPCs. So I'll talk about it as if like the dream game. I don't know how much that will get in, but yeah. You know, NPCs walking around, cars driving around, doing little jobs. You've got a community going on here. You've got a sheriff. You've got shops. You can go in the gun store. You can go off and buy some guns with your credits. He's doing some back alley deals, and you can then upgrade to be able to buy stuff directly to your shop using the black market. You can upgrade your vehicle. So there's a commercial vehicles showroom here where you can buy upgrades, which will help you do the job. There's like, yeah, a lot of at the moment the vehicle goes too quickly, and vehicle would have been blown up just then, but designed loads of jumps throughout the whole level. So yeah, still a few bugs. We're only a few weeks in. You go off and do jobs, so you go to different job levels. I want to start making this one look nice. At the moment, it's early days. Yeah. Go down. I didn't get him in time. The little bastard setting traps. Set a trap here. I want to get some more ambience in here. There's no ambience at the moment. It just feels a bit bland. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, my first thing in this job level was to get the sort of proportions right, the sizing right, the kind of yeah, proportion, scale, and basically the basic layout. So how linear it was, what is, how much depth it has to it, density of like game components. But yeah, we've made some good strides forward in that direction. So now we need to start making it look cool, getting more of the gameplay features in, getting more of the AI and yeah, their behaviors in. Yeah, at the moment they're not going to be walking around like that. They're going to be bouncing off the ceilings like freaking flubber. What are you coming to me like that for, bro? Hey, you bitch. Yeah. There is more AIs. Enemies. Jeez. I think there's oh, they've fallen. Okay. We're early days, man. We're like 4 or 5 weeks in. And there's lots to do. Looks like a gremlin. I mean, yeah, I say code name, but they're not gremlins. They're like oh my god, that looks like Gary from SpongeBob. That's going to be a clown. Yeah, I appreciate that, Mr. Is that Only Drowning? Only Drowning. We've got a composer that is making all original works for this game, all the interaction sounds, all the music. He's made some really gnarly like tracks already for it. We've just not implemented half of the stuff he's done, and he's only done about I don't know, a slither, like 5 or 10% of what we need in the game. So yeah, it's going alright so far. It's a bit like showing you an empty canvas at the moment with a few streaks on it and trying to explain how I'm going to paint the Mona Lisa, but comes out looking like it was made in Microsoft Paint. But yeah, no, we'll see. We'll see. Alright, that was my quick rundown. The hell am I doing, bro? Oh yeah, I was doing this. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I appreciate the help. Banjo-Kazooie is our one of our inspiration games for the music. That's what I commonly refer to when I'm talking about our game's music landscape. I must be able to get this. Have I seen the new Banjo-Kazooie? No. Nope. Is it any good? I feel like all recreations of older, like, nostalgic games just get destroyed. They don't do it justice. Or it's very, very, very rare that they do it justice. You know, usually it's a bit butchered. Oh, yeah, that looks alright. I want to see what that feels like. Yeah, we have 1 to 4 players planned on this game at the minute. That's good. But we might change that. Why does my modular metal look like this? I guess it needs to be UV mapped. So like... to fit it. I'm just going to continue to grey box. Let the artist fix these things. Some recompiled game. Transcribing on PC. It's your original, except it's super smooth. Drag and drop texture mod. So that's pretty cool, man. I love stuff like that. Like, I'd probably set that up for when my kid's old enough that he can play it and enjoy it. But I feel like I don't have the time to really enjoy playing something like that. Alright, I need to look at some inspiration images. Maybe like some wall dividers would be quite good. Maybe if I do Maybe some orange in there. Is that like 1980s vibes? I feel like orange in an office is kind of like the most kind of 80s vibe you can come across. Oh my god. What happened to the lamp, bro? Wait. I think the collision's way too fucking complex on this thing. We need to have a talk about collision in our game. Yeah, bro, we can't use that. Don't tell me it's just use the complex one. Okay, thank God. Okay, no, this is not good. We can't use this. I mean, it's not bad. If it was a multiplayer, like FPS game, then it's better. But it's a bloody like co-op game. I think for this we can just do like a simple sphere for this bit here and bring it down to like there. Cool, and then we'll just do like a little flat base on it. Little box. I fucking hate this collision editor. We go on about how bad it is. It's just so horrible to work with, man. Well, I don't know why they don't allow you to just use like the mesh tools to make collisions, bro. Is it the step that's like missing? Yeah, is that. And why is there no cylinder as a pre-made option? Also notice the origin on this is no good. Yeah, let me save that. I think the origin is lower than the mesh. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Well, let's have a look, see what this looks like now. It might need another cube. Yeah. I mean, that's alright, isn't it? It's going to be much more optimized using a sphere and a... Wait, the weight's all wrong. It's kind of funny though. Like, I feel like that... Oh, dude. I kind of feel like when physics don't make sense, but they're funny. It's a good thing in this game. People will be like, why is it rolling like that, man? Because people starting to talk about... Oh, dude. Hang on. I know how to adjust that without adding any weight to it. Let me... What happened to my collisions, bro? No. Don't do this to me. Are you telling me I can't modify this collision that I made? Nah, bro. Come on. Dude. I didn't realize it couldn't modify the existing collision. What is this shit? Cool, how we doing, man? What's up? But you know what? I think the collision looks perfect. Let's leave it at that. Do you like the cowboy flamingo hiding in the thing? I do. I think it's good. I think we can use this. In fact, I can probably just like go like that. Yeah, and then on this one I can go a little bit over. But I don't want it to go through the wall, so I don't want collision on them really. But I made this poster in bloody paint. So bad. I drew the rat on the screen. I don't like the X. I want like your stereotypical like cross through, but I got a bit tired and just gave up. But I'll it's a I'll come back later and sort it out thing. Yeah, how you doing, Gore? You doing good? Safety of the workplace. We got some stuff like that. Like we got these company rules, and we got like a little to-do list. We got some leaflets which are still hidden. Yeah, some safety of the workplace things definitely needed. That's kind of is these. You know, don't let customers die. No company members or assets left on site. No dilly-dallying, work harder, not smarter. I want to design some more stuff like that. So, yeah, this desk has come out nice. I like how this desk is looking. Yeah, I think we needed something in here. I think the beige floor probably good. What would it look like if I made the floor in here black? No, I think that works. What is this? Yeah, let me do like a half height on that. And then I'm going to go up like that. So that should be, yeah, 2 snap like that. Okay, cool. So I can set the color of the ceiling here. Blue kind of feels like workshop, right? Oh, blue floor maybe. I think it's too blue. I think I need a dark blue version. So, yeah, I'm gonna make a dark blue version instead. So I'm gonna do blue, dark. Oh no! You scumbag. Capitalized key didn't work just then. Oh! But, damn it. Well, I'm going to try making it again. Let's go again. Please let me actually call it blue, dark. It works. Sweet. Base color, I'm thinking like, you know, you know when you don't know. But I'm saying you know. So you must know. Okay. This kind of workshop floor kind of vibe. Let's have a look. What do you look like? Boom. I like that. I like that. I don't like the blue ceiling though. What about black? It's pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. What would these look like in that blue? Maybe orange in here, and then I want to do like blue in here, maybe. I'm definitely getting like 80s vibes here. I had a question. I wanted to dive into Unreal Design. Is it free to jump in? So Unreal is like basically completely free. You can pick it up, you can install it. There's loads of free courses. There's loads of like free stuff. You can virtually build an entire game for free. The Unreal only take money when you're earning over, I think it's $1 million a year turnover from your game. Or if you're doing it for film production, then it's different. I don't know what they are, but I know it's different. I think it costs money. You got to spend like thousands on licenses. But yeah, out of the box, it's free for game development. It just costs money when you're actually starting to make money. But yeah, good luck, bro. That's all. I love to hear when people are picking up the tools and start, or like thinking about picking up the tools and starting to have a go at things. We got a fire extinguisher. I feel like that's like the quintessential office thing that people have. We don't have a fire extinguisher. No. Oh, I'm gonna put a cylinder in here. I can make one quite quickly actually, probably out of like these things. Let me get a I will leave it to our artist to make it. And I'm just gonna leave it at divide it by 6. I know. Divide it by 4 or 5. Maybe just make that black and then right, I think we need that like there. And then we need like one of them, the fire safety kind of things. So 0.05. Sometimes there's different types. You got ones for like chemicals and ones for oil fire, not oil fires, water and a chemical. Might be a fire blanket as well. Put them there for now. You want to learn Unreal? The best thing to do. If you don't want to use AI, we can try what he's saying. Depends how you learn, to be honest. I learned from action, so I set myself, like if I was you in your shoes right now and you were just wanting to learn Unreal, I'd set myself loads of little challenges. And yeah, I would set myself loads of little tasks to complete and go and do it. What happened between there and there, bro? Why is that wall different? What happened here, bro? It is different. I don't think I like it being different. We can delete that. Okay. That's good. That's good. Got one for chemical fires, one for regular. Yeah, that's what I was saying. So that's why I'm putting two there. Usually they're different sizes, but we'll let him figure it out. Although, should I not leave any room for assumptions? Maybe I should. I feel like when I leave room for assumptions, bad assumptions are made. And the mistakes are made. Then I'm left having to clean it up. So we're not gonna leave room for that. Cool. Okay. Should say fire. Do 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 do. Oh dear. How's it going? Doing good, man. How you doing, Balthazar? I'm trying to remember what streamer you spend a lot of time watching, who I know you from, Balthazar. Is it Tag? Tag, Spudley, or maybe it's Noah. I think it might be Tag. Yeah, Tag Nana. Yeah, how's things? Hope you are good. Okay, for the office, I think we've got the minimum needed here right now. We need to make sure we get the minimum for everything else in. So I'm gonna go move my focus over to the job level, where there's a lot more work that needs to be done. So I'm not liking this exterior, so I'm gonna quickly have a look. Also, the lighting is completely fluffed, so I just want to see what it would look like if I was to yeah, if I was to reset all the lights. I'm not sure I like that change there. What are these changes here? Kind of like that change. Kind of like that change. They're all the changes on my skybox. Okay, so the rest of the changes are going to be the posts then. If I get rid of the posts, it's okay, but it's really harsh for some reason. So what is harsh in here that's causing this? I put that to red. Yeah, okay. Definitely doing something there. Dude, that's kind of insane. But back to how it was. Yeah, I think there's going to be some changes I need to make to this the sky. But before I get to attached to setting these lights up, I think I want to spend some time I want to spend some time actually getting the cottage to look how I want it to look on the exterior. So let's do that. But yeah, all going good here. Busy working on a new project, man. But exciting stuff, to be honest. I think that's what this project is missing a little bit. You know what? I think I want to get a corner piece made actually for this. I wonder what the best way to make that corner piece is. Would it be to like go like that and then do like a... Well, I probably need to make both actually. So that there, I can do a union, and that becomes a new piece. And so if I move the edit pivot and go like down like this, put that on that corner. Why is it not? There we go. Accept that. Okay, so this here is my new piece. What is that called? Block out building slant. Okay, I'm going to call this block out. Oh my god, no. Don't call it that. I'm going to call it ceiling corner. Cool. That's good. That's good to me. That looks awesome. And then we'll need to do the reverse now. So what I need to do is I need to go here. And I need to go copy paste. And Chicken Man, I've explained this game about 100 times, and every time I explain it, it takes me 5 to 10 minutes, and I just did it about 5 or 10 minutes ago. So if I explain it again, I'm not going to get any work done. So I'm really sorry, but I'm just going to keep working. But if you type !game, it'll tell you more about it, and if you go back on the stream, you can see what I did. Apologies. I would love to just like keep going through it every time someone asks, but I gotta draw the line, otherwise, yeah, nothing gets done, man. But yeah, I appreciate you don't know that because you probably weren't here when I went through it last. That's all good. But that is that. We are... That is not correct. That is not what I am after. What I am after is actually probably going to be more like the opposite. So I guess that, then like that maybe. So if I actually move, we go like that and do Boolean and accept, and then do Boolean, accept. Aha! I did it. Cool. Well, where are we? Are we here? Okay, cool. I'm going to call it corner 2. Beautiful. Okay, the only thing I need to do now is move the move this to where it rightfully belongs. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, that's good. I'm going to shove you into the right folder. That looks good. Go there. Lovely jubbly. Now, piece of magic. Can I just go like that? Oh! You can, but the other pieces are technically wrong, so good stuff. Wait, it worked. I was going to say tis working, and then I went to say it, and I said tit, right? You tit. Right. Grab that. Where's my other bit? That one. Oh, baby. She's a-working. So, I should be able to connect those two now. No? Yes? Okay, let's get in there. I should make an actual roof kit though, like one that's oh bro. Yeah, these I'm not actually using like any of this interior, am I? No. So I think I can just like put that like halfway over and then scale. It's so ugly doing that though, bro. Oh, what am I doing? I want to do it properly. Yeah, that's not gonna work, bro. Let me see. Really pushing the limits of this blockout kit. I should come up with a different blockout kit. It's not awful. Well, let's get rid of that. What's up with the shader thing, bro? Why does it look so bad? Okay, what if I grab these two and then put that like that? Hmm. Ah. I think we're into some issues here. Bro, this post-processing volume, no bueno. I quite like this being like this. Maybe I need to just move this kind of like over. And then I can just... Yeah, we'll go this route. Go this route, man. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, I don't know about that. Okay, that's good. Okay, get rid of these. Oh, nice. Right, we got it snapping to grid, which is beautiful. That's all I could hope for. So, if I get this. Right, before I get too invested, let's fix this side of the roof. Let's get you over the edge. Push you over the edge. Why is my grid size so low? You, sir. Okay, that's good. That looks good. We're making some progress. Fear not. Gimme one of them. Nice. Oh, bro. Keep cooking. Keep at it. We are cooking with fire. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. It's working. Okay. Yeah, this shit needs fixing, but okay. Why has God made another sun? It's like a million fucking photons of light hitting every pixel. Why am I underneath Icarus? Let me have a look. It's got to be one of these, right? I do like it darker there, but I think I just need to delete that post-processing volume. I'm going to delete it. Goodbye. Okay, we'll figure it out later. I think there's too many conflicting post-processing volumes fighting for their life. Okay. Oh, my laptop. How was the build? Talk to me. Are you okay? I succeeded. Will you open now? I'm trying to get this project on this laptop so I can work in more places, basically. Oh, it's loading. I did have it working, and then I didn't use the laptop for like 2 weeks, and the project moved so quickly that it didn't have the latest binaries, and it wasn't building, and there's all sorts of other issues. Long story short, looks like, fingers crossed, got it working. But yes, the joys. Right. Okay. Oh, I'm very happy with this new system. These two pieces I made, man. They made me go from having to hack together a solution to now having the perfect solution with no problems whatsoever. Yet. Right. Oh, it's a fake. Disgusting. Get out of here. Although, to be honest, the internals being set up like that is that's not a problem. It's probably better, more optimized to have less models, so doing what I just did there and switching that from 2 to 3 is probably not a good idea. But she will do. She will do for now. Hey, the materials and stuff might update, and we might have tiles, so I might have like a little corner trim thing. So it'll be good to have done it this way. Okay. We've done the whole interior thing. How about, ladies and gentlemen, hear me out on this one. How about we go like that? Oh, is that a bit snazzy? Hello? Darkness, my only friend. The fuck's going on with the light? Give me the lights, bro. Does that look dumb? It's just looking a little bit dumb. A little better without it? Yeah, a little bit more cottagey. Okay, plan 78. We are going with the reduction. Okay. Bro, I fucking swear, like, honestly, just always with this slow fade shit, man, when I go down. Give me what I want when I want it. Okay. Good, looking good, looking good. Don't know about that. That's looking good now. I really can't tell what's right here, because okay, so really that should be like over by like that amount, but it's missing a wall, so Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. Alright, next question is, do we want to scale these up so that they are one piece, maybe? Because it means we can then go like that. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like how that's going. Nope. Get out of here, son. That's good. Sweet as a nut. Okay. Get in there. Okay. Alright, give me that. And give me right. Run the maths, Jarvis. What is the best way to do this with the least amount of meshes? I think I have an idea. Okay. So there's one. And we're going to go with that color. Then there is 2. Three. Uh-oh. We got some mismatches. Ah, okay. I think we can actually get there if I put it on that. No, why is that not matching up, bro? Okay, it's on the green. 5.5. No, 0.4. 3. 7.5. Oh, clean. Okay. I got it. Okay, I got it. Got it snapped. Oh, did it? Okay, no, that side's done. Oh, yeah, that's a bit over. Okay, so we're trying to get. Oh, is it 1.5 on the dot? No, it's not 1.5. It is 1.5. That's 2. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, nice. That's the dark roof. Oh, it's opened. Yes. The project has opened on the laptop. Look. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the... Oh, you can't see because of my... Let me turn that off for a second. Look. We have the project running. On the laptop. Yeah, buddy. Preparing 1,500 shaders. Okay. That's good. Cool. Sorry about that. Right. We still got people here. Hello. Can we get a one in the chat? What's going on? I can see who's in the Unreal Discord. Guttables is there. I fucking hate this shit. What is this? Why does it keep doing that? Whenever I go down, it's like set everything to black. I can't see anything. Is it literally going under the landscape that's doing that? Like, I don't think... It's whatever that post process is, I think. It's the second one, or the first one there. I need to figure it out. Okay. We're gonna go with I'm gonna go with a beige exterior. Like that. So out. Oh, it's not that one. Okay. I was looking more like a cottage. So, yeah, happy with how this is going. I think I can get rid of that size thing now. I'm going to group all of these roof pieces so that I can easily show and hide them without too many troubles. So, oh no, almost pressed the wrong button there. I did press the wrong button, but it didn't matter. There we go. Cool. Okay. Yes, that is good. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, some dupes there. Okay. I think we can get rid of that. Cool. Right, when I press H, I expect it to hide. But sometimes it's just like, nah, I'm not going to do anything. I think it's if I press H here, it doesn't do anything. You've got to like right click in the window, then press H, and then it works. They need to fix that, bro. Unreal 5.73, and you still can't hide actors unless you click sometimes, based on whether you just modified a property or not. It's kind of dumb. Like, why is that a thing, bro? Why is that a thing? 2026. Why is that a thing? How is that a thing? I don't plan on spending the whole stream today yapping. What's that? Yeah. Get rid of that, that, and that. Ba-da-ba-da, da-da-da. I think there's duplicates in places, man. I can't see, bro. It's done the black darkness thing again. Oh. Okay. Let's go with like maybe orange. This is meant to be the like cool carpet. I want to have each room have its own floor color. It's very different to the walls. I think that works. Well, I'll go blue for the kitchen for now. Oh, bro. What the fuck? Give me this shit, man. I can't fucking see. It's gonna go unlit for now. What is this? Dumb master material, okay. I'm gonna do grey for these. Where's that, the red? Where's that, bro? So I need 2 on that and then 3 on that. Need 2 on that, 3 on that. Why are these like emissive, bro? That's not good. So we're going to be transparent, not a emitter. I just want to... minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. Right, what we got? What we got? Need some alien characters. I don't want these fucking things spawning in straight away. Problem. Yeah, I don't, what are they doing, man? Why are they spawning in? Right, I'll just push, yeah, I mean, where's this? Yeah. A lot of work that needs doing there. Okay, I want to grab. I kind of don't want the gremlins to spawn in. You stop calling them gremlins because they're not really gremlins. Right. Maybe we've got 2 here. Where are the other 2? 3 here. I can just play it and forget about the light for now. The sound, not the light. The light is what I'm trying to check out. Need more ominence. That's what we need. Why are these fucking tiny? I want to know that. Why? Why is that tiny, man? Oh, that's meant to be huge. Um, so flamingo. It's tiny, bro. I think it needs to be like 3 times the size. Oh, I'm just gonna go and bake. Okay. These are the right size now. Yeah, they are. Okay, that's good. Set these all to 30. That's good. Need a small set here. %20 chance of spawning there. 20% chance of spawning there. Come on, Sky. All day for you to catch up. I feel like I'm missing some sort of table here. Or did he move the origin of the sofa? Maybe. Why can't I fucking see, man? I don't know. I don't know why it keeps going all black out. Oh yeah. Mm. What is this current level? 3. Let's try 8. Yeah. Like. Right, lighting wise. Hmm. Right. I think the transition is wrong. So how do I change that? I'm gonna ask for help on the internet. In Unreal Engine 5.7.3, working with 2 post-process volumes. I have a switch to 1 when you go downstairs. Players, okay. Players cross over into 1 when you go downstairs, into a darker biome. How do I make the transition more subtle? The issue at the moment, it's like getting hit in the face. Not ideal. Blend weight 0. Okay. Blend weight 0. Well, that ain't fucking right. Blend weight 1. Oh, okay. I think I found the issue. What's that? Thank you. Thank you very much. That might be the issue. Okay, so let's see if we can fix this. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and then when you go down here. It's not visible, right? I think that's okay. Oh my god, come on now, come on now. Alright. Take 5 fucking years for it to light up. Sub Dizzle. Seems to take like 20 seconds for the lighting conditions to change from dark to light. When I switch. Why is that? Let's see. Yo, Dizzle, Ratata just invited me to a game repo if you wanted to play with her or them. But I'm busy working on this in a minute, so. Pretty good. Seems pretty bad. Do 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 do. Not on PC yet. Oh, you're not even on PC? Oh, fair. Or on your phone then. Bro, what the fuck is this, man? It's like someone's smacking me in the head with a shovel, like, whenever I switch biomes, and then it takes like 5 years for the light to come back. Let's have a look. Okay, let me check the blend size on this. I think that might be the issue. Right. Really? Okay. Blend. Oh. Blend weight 10. 1. 0.1. No. That ain't it, cuz. Why does it get darker when I go higher, man? What have they... Someone's done something really weird with this setup that is just fucking tripping me up, man. Or it's a weird Unreal settings. Right, speed up, speed up. Oh, is it? Because it's going from... I think it's the exposure, maybe. The manual exposure. I think that is it. Yeah, it's that. Okay, so now I need to do the blend shit. Blend. I think maybe 300. Maybe like 1,000. And on this one. It's getting there, but I go in here and then it probably gets darker as you go down. Then let's have a look. The exposure. I think 9. Let's do 9.5. Wait, let's get a feel for it. What do people say, man? With too much exposure, you can get in trouble. I didn't have too much, so I had I do have too much here. I wonder. I wonder if my compensation on the exposure is what's causing some issues as well. Like, see if I can just crank up the light a little bit. Okay. No. Okay. Skylight, indirect intensity. No. I didn't think it was crazy, the settings I had. But that's 12. Get rid of some of these random ass lights. Oh. Wait, did I make that light? I can't remember. I might have made that light. Probably want to use this box reflection capture in here. Some sort of table or something. Just put them on for now. I'm still not doing like a proper pass on this. It's still a bit of an exploratory pass on lighting at the minute. I think we need to get those hang lights in. Well, let's have a look. See where we are at here. That actually gave me a bit of a genuine scare for a second there. That's good. Okay. 9.5. Give me 13 today. Let's see what we're doing. What the fuck happened to my collision? So, how is that adventure music, bro? Hmm. Hmm. Well, I think I'm going to go take a break. But, yeah, thanks for tuning in. See you guys on the next one. Cool. Bye-bye.